Over here on the HostGator plans, there are three options. The business plan you most likely will not need starting out. The baby plan has unlimited domains, so unless you're planning to launch more than one website, you probably don't need this. And then over here, the hatchling plan, I'm going to choose that for this for one single domain. So let's click on Buy Now. We're now over on the registration page. Now you're going to want to have a domain name. You may already have a domain name. If you do, you would come over into this tab and just go ahead and enter your existing domain. However, I'm going to register one here.